Hello, young coders! I am Captain AHS. Welcome back, Coding Stars! Today, we're diving into the magic of animation. Get ready to make your sprites come alive, watch them dance, jump, and move however you imagine.
Saro! Look over there! That booth says, create your own cartoon. What's Scratch? Can we go? Please?
Scratch is an amazing tool where you can make your own cartoons and even games.
Mina, Saro, glad you're here. Ready to create your first animation?
Animation? Like in movies?
Exactly. And we'll start with a sprite.
Sprite? You mean the soda?
No, not that kind of sprite. A sprite is a character you control in Scratch. Let me show you. First, Mina, choose a sprite. It can be anything. A cat, a robot, even a flying dinosaur.
A flying dinosaur!
Click the Choose a Sprite button. Search a dinosaur and select it.
That's a great choice. What's next?
Let's make your dinosaur move. Drag the Move 10 steps block into the coding area.
It's wiggling a little, but it's not flying.
Let's fix that. Try adding a glide to random position block from the same palette.
It's flying! Look, Saro, it's flying! Whoa, Mina! That's so cool! Can you make it sparkle? That's a great idea. Let's try. Haseeb, can we do this?
Sure, Mina. Go to the Looks palette and find the Change Color Effect block and then select Forever for the continuous effect.
It's a disco dinosaur.
Look at what we made.
Scratch, where imagination comes to life.
It's time for the quiz. What is definition of Scratch? Option A, a tool to edit images. Option B, a programming language used to create animations, games, and interactive stories. Option C, a platform for writing essays. Option B, a programming language used to create animations, games, and interactive stories. A forever block allows a sprite to repeat an action continuously without stopping. True or false? True! Which Scratch block is used to make a sprite move smoothly to a specific position? Option A, move 10 steps. Option B, glide to random position. Option C, turn 15 degrees. Option B, glide to random position. What happens when you connect the Change Color Effect block to the sprite? Option A, the sprite moves to a new position. Option B, the sprite's color changes gradually or instantly. Option C, the sprite makes a sound. Option C, the sprite's color changes gradually or instantly. What is a sprite in Scratch? Option A, a character or object that can be programmed in Scratch. Option B, a type of soft drink. Option C, a background image. Option A, a character or object that can be programmed in Scratch. Now that you've seen sprites come to life, it's time to make them even more exciting. Get ready to explore how to add dazzling effects and sounds to your creations.